Imagine suddenly receiving $1 trillion, but you must spend every single penny within the next 24 hours or lose it all forever. This should be easy, right? Let's start by buying some dream cars at the local exotic dealership. First, a Lamborghini, then a Ferrari, and a McLaren to complete your ultimate garage collection. Why stop there? Just buy the entire dealership for $12 million worth of pure luxury. But to spend $1 trillion, you would need to buy this whole dealership every single second. Time to think bigger. Let's hire 100 people to track down the world's most expensive yachts, plus $1 million bonus for each helper, making this a $40 billion yacht shopping spree. Now buy the biggest cruise ship ever built for $2 billion and fill it with happy passengers. Pay for everyone's tickets and give each person a luxury Rolex watch as a special gift. Let's use the ship's basketball court by buying every NBA team for an epic tournament. Hire Snoop Dogg, Katy Perry, Justin Bieber, and Beyoncé for a private concert on your new ship.
Then send them all to the space station on a SpaceX rocket for $55 million each.
You need a serious status symbol now, so why buy one expensive painting when you can buy a whole museum? Let's just purchase the entire Metropolitan Museum of Art for around $100 billion. Oh wait, transaction failed because the Met is a public institution and isn't actually for sale. No problem, New York City has over 33,000 vacant units ready for purchase. The most expensive US real estate ever was just $240 million for one concrete brick. Forget buying houses, it's time to build the biggest mega project the world has ever seen. Let's fly to the Middle East, where they can build absolutely anything you can imagine. They already built the biggest clock, giant cube, and world map islands in the sea. Why stop there when we can dream bigger? Let's push engineering limits and construct an even more massive, custom artificial island from scratch for a staggering $20 billion. We cannot forget our vital labor costs for this historic project, so we will very handsomely and generously budget $10 whole to split among the entire workforce. Let's buy every single one of those incredible, world-famous mega projects right now for a grand total of $101,292,010. The Burj Khalifa is so incredibly tall that stacking individual single-dollar bills right to the very top would only equal a mere $7.58 million spent. You still need to spend 87,000 times more money, so the cash stack would actually reach way past the International Space Station in terms of total height. Stop thinking small right now and buy an entire sovereign country like Greenland, valued at around $200 billion specifically for its incredibly rich, untapped mineral reserves. Since Greenland officially says it is not for sale, let's buy 100 F-35 jets, 2 aircraft carriers, and a makeshift army of 57,000 professional soldiers instead. Backed by your powerful and terrifying new military force, it suddenly looks like Greenland actually is for sale after all, and now officially belongs entirely to you. Now that powerful people are noticing you, let's buy politicians, including Trump for $1.5 billion, Kamala for $2 billion, and the entire United States Congress for $7.2 billion.
Massive wealth buys almost everything, but to truly control the global narrative, let's buy every major media company and run one full week of positive, uninterrupted, worldwide propaganda.
For a bit of philanthropy, let's donate $220 billion directly to the United States government to help reduce its absolutely massive $36 trillion national debt.
Unfortunately, bureaucratic rules state the government can only accept $1 million maximum, meaning your huge donation only successfully bought them a tiny bag of basic military supplies.
Instead, let's use $2.2 billion to completely wipe out all outstanding medical debt across America through highly efficient, direct-impact medical charity organizations. You could easily spend $40 billion annually to permanently end world hunger, but universities might just raise prices if you immediately pay off the $1.7 trillion student loans.
Global philanthropy turns out to be surprisingly complicated, stressful, and difficult, so let us simply buy another shiny, $500 million custom luxury mega yacht instead. Even after this incredible, massive spending spree, you still have $60 billion left because $1 trillion is almost completely impossible to spend in only 24 hours.
Let's create a special, secure trust fund to safely store all the remaining money so you can comfortably sleep on those world-changing humanity projects for later.
Now, rest peacefully on the most expensive bed knowing your trillion-dollar spending was truly an unforgettable experience.
You have successfully spent the majority of $1 trillion in just one single day on hypercars, mega yachts, and country. Thank you so much for joining this crazy trillion-dollar challenge, because a grand imagination makes any massive amount feel possible.
From hypercars to your own private islands, you have experienced mind-blowing physical scale of what $1 single trillion could actually achieve.
Building massive custom islands, buying sovereign countries proved how having $1 trillion opens doors most people cannot imagine.
Hosting private concerts and organizing NBA games on your cruise ship made this the most epic day any human could live.
Even when global philanthropy got economically complicated, you managed to make a positive difference for many people.
With the remaining money safely stored, you can now plan even bigger projects to help improve the entire world tomorrow.
This adventure proved that thinking massively big is the only way to even begin spending such an enormous amount of money.
What would you buy first if you suddenly had $1 trillion to spend in only 24 hours?
Thank you so much for watching this trillion-dollar spending adventure, and please subscribe for more fun, creative stories like this.
Sweet dreams, and remember that with big imagination, even $1 trillion can create memories that last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this one, you're going to love what's coming up next. I've picked out this specific video just for you. Click right here to keep the momentum going. See you over there!